things we love to see, more quality Land Rover Defenders arriving at Acklam Car Centre. Super special car this. Look at the colour, Yulong White. Rare to be seen on a Defender. 2022-22. This Defender 90 is pretty special. It's a P300 petrol, X-Dynamic, SE, Yulong White, full factory black pack. Key options on this. Air suspension on a 90 is pretty special. It's got a jump seat in the front. It's also got sliding panoramic sunroof, SE spec. What a car. Now look closely as I lift this vehicle in the suspension settings, because it's just not to be seen on most 90s air suspension. This one has got it. It's also a petrol, 300 brake horsepower, which again is rare. But if I jump out and you jump in, check out the front, because it's got that extra seat in the front, the jump seat, so it's a 6-seat vehicle. What an option that is. With air suspension, with the SE spec, it's incredible on the inside for the spec. But let's talk about the outside, because this car is an X-Dynamic. So the Yulong White is a lovely off-white grey metallic colour for Land Rover, which lifts this car. But then the X-Dynamic gives it this metallic section, very classy. Bottom sections, badges, mid-section, all in that metallic finish. Then the SE spec gives you matrix lights, which again lifts the front end with a black styling package, 20-inch gloss black wheels, X-Dynamic body styling, which is all the body coloured painted arches all around the full car, fixed side steps, black roof, black mirrors. What a car to look at this is. It's not just about the looks, because the inside has them special options, as I've mentioned. Detachable tow bar is another one on this vehicle. You'll see the towing hooks on either side for the X-Dynamic and the metallic section here with the metallic Defender badges. There's your detachable tow bar, still retaining some boot space. You know, if you're looking for a 90, you'll know exactly what to expect from these cars in the boot. And there's your air suspension switches in the back. Probably the best one we've had for a little while, this Defender 90, because it's a 300 brake horsepower petrol. Could be a London car. A lot of people in London will look for the petrol over the diesel. Side steps, keyless entry, black roof, privacy glass, and then inside this jump seat option. With the SE, we've got Meridian sound, we've got electric memory seats, we've got in this one an over and above option, clear sight interior camera. I'll show you that. With the sunroof, with heated steering wheel, with digital interface behind the dashboard. This car is an absolute belter. On a 22 plate, it comes with a Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance, Europe-wide until 2025. It's only done 2,300 miles, I do believe. So it's in a lovely order all round. And then the options on the inside are pretty special. Using the steps to help me get in. It is a high up driving vehicle, and it is an ultimate off-road vehicle. I'm now sat in a brilliant driving position, high up off the road. It's one of the best vehicles, I think, to sit in for comfort, an actual physical vision out of a car. You sat up so high. If you look into the door, you'll see Meridian sound. Then up here, we've got memory seats. We've got blind spot assist in the wing mirror. Down here, onto the seat, you've got your full electric seats, up, down, forward, back, whichever way you want to go. It's all fully electric. No messing around with a lever to move your seats. Onto the steering wheel now, you'll see this leather steering wheel, which is heated, lane departure and cruise control on the right, Bluetooth voice controls on the left hand side, and then you've got this beautiful digital interface behind the steering wheel, now not a standard thing, all switchable as you wish, and I'll show you how to do that. So you press the center button here, go into the vehicle's menu, click along to display, go down to layout. I can have, if I change to 2 dials, which is what I like, we then get the change of the clocks there, and I've got now my map in the middle and my 2 dials, rev counter and speedo. How good's that? Into the Pivi Pro system. So this is all digital and touch interface, navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone interface, all wireless now. You've got loads of 4-wheel drive and terrain modes and all these different settings you can select to your home screen as well. The biggest one really is this camera system, which if I put it into reverse, we've then got the reverse camera. This car has a tow bar, so this is a big thing, towing camera, and then your top view camera, which is all surround view, 3D, lovely stuff. Look at that, brilliant. Up here, clear side camera. So this is actually your normal interior mirror. In the area at the back of the car as a camera, if I flick that, it goes to a camera. We are looking at a white wall, so difficult to pick that out. Big option, as is the sunroof, tilts and slides. You notice we've got black head lining as we look and close this sunroof. Little space up here to put your sunglasses. And then other features on this car. I've mentioned the jump seat already. This folds down with a lever. if I just do this, goes into an armrest with cup holders if needed. Air suspension, switchable here next to the gear stick. Heated front and rear screens, heated front seat, only the outside two, not the middle one. And then we've got obviously your digital climate control. Incredible features, an incredible engine. Unbelievable to look at from the exterior, especially with the Yulong white paint, which is a cost option. And it lifts this car with the black styling. It is an absolute cracker, this thing. On the website now, only 2,000 miles. Give me a call on my number just here on the screen. Thanks for watching.